Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video we have a look of Ankr coin. Ankr network is one of the best cryptocurrencies for investment, but unfortunately, as you know, the current situation of Ankr network is very badly. That is why a lot of people message me on Instagram that what should they do at this time, as it the best time to buy, sell or hold. So finally I decided to make a video for my subscriber, for my viewers. So what is the best decision for all of you? In this video I will told you. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so kindly make sure to subscribe abs tech channel for more news and updates about Ankr network friends. First of all, we look the price of the Ankr network. The currently price of the Ankr is about 0.139121 USD dollar is a current price. And if we, as you can see here, the change occur in the last 1 hour is negative, last 1 day is negative, and the last 1 hour 1 week is also and negative friends. Now friends, let's see for more details. Let's see the last 1 hour price prediction chart of the Ankr network. As you can see here, oh my god, the last 1 hour chart is absolutely very bad. Negative 2.28% falls occur in the Ankr network in the last 1 hour. And if we look the high price of the Ankr, so the high price is about 0.1406 USD dollar is the high price of Ankr network friends. Now friends, as you know, the continuously fast occur in an Ankr network at this time friends, and now the current situation of Ankr network is also bad. Now for let's the technical analysis, and let's try to detect the next target of the Ankr network, what's good in the next in the Ankr network friends. Now friends, as you can see here, the last 1 day price predictions is on the screen. After you look the change occur in the last 1 hour, so the last 1 day change is about negative 18.15 USD percent, sorry, percent change occurred. They make me mad at this time because the very bad change occurred in Ankr network, and I am also a holder of Ankr network. That is why I do a mistake in this video. The high price of the Ankr network is about 0.1688 per USD dollar is a high price of the Ankr network in this time friends. Now friends, if we look the technical analysis of the Ankr network of the whole day, so as you can see here, for example, let's suppose that is a support level. Let's suppose that is a support level, and now that is the highest point is a resistance level of the Ankr network friends. So now friends, if we look the price predictions, the price change occur in Ankr network. So as you can see here, it's a falling period of the Ankr network starts now, and gradually they starting moving upward. And but if we look, so they are falls down, as you can see here. And after at this position, they again take a small jump, and now again take a high jumps for a later time, and again falls down. And now I think if we look the current situation, so I think they are not break out the resistance level, but maybe they falls down, maybe they come forward there. So I think it is a falling period of Ankr network, and maybe they falls down in the future because it's broken the support level friends. So that is a lot of chances to they falls down in the future, and 30% chances to they take a jump in this position, they again take a jump and they are ready to move upward friends, but a lot of chances today falls down friends. So now don't worry about the falling up the Ankr network. That is a continuously period, that is a continuously problem of every cryptocurrencies holders, that cryptocurrencies falls down every day by day. Cryptocurrencies, we can't say about the cryptocurrencies changes, maybe they change your life in only 1 minute. So don't worry about this. And friends, if you are a holder of Ankr network, so kindly hold your Ankr network. As you can see here, the chain is currently bad. Be patient and hold Ankr network with the last of this month. Maybe they take a jump in the coming soon days, so wait for the pump of the Ankr network, and this time is a hold time. So what's your opinion? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe abs tech channels for more news and updates.